human attitudes.
Human attitude, pecado,
Yeah.
tingkah laku manusia.
And from this, I think if I relate it to what you asking, to what you were asking just now, that the social media is a post of Satan,
Allah.
ya kan? I think we cannot judge,
Judge every single one.
yeah, just that someone is very good because in his solitude he can become someone else.
Allah.
Yeah.
Hypocrite.
Hypocrite. He can become someone else. Yeah.
Hypocrite.
Hypocrite. Munafik kan?
And
Masya Allah.
and we cannot judge ourselves that we're already good enough person because we're still trying to be the best. But for second
Hypocrite.
Weapon of
Always remembering about vocabulary. Hypocrite.
social media is Antichrist.
Hypocrite.
Yeah, as a sickness know that the Westerns is preparing for the coming of the Antichrist,
No one hypocrite.
and this social media is one of the weapons to make the people of the world, to make the mind of the people of the world is broken.